Ooh-wee. Hands down, one of the iciest watches, most sought after watches on the market. Cartier Santos, bust down. Between 16 to 17 carats. We can do these in moissanites. We can do these in lab diamonds. We can do these in natural diamonds. Please do not ask me how much. They're ranging anywhere from 15,000 up to 30,000, 30-something thousand, depending on the quality of stones we're doing. We can do VS, we can do VVS, we can do SI, we can do I1, but I wouldn't suggest the I1, especially for these. We could do moissanites. And as you can see, these things is flooded all the way on the side, y'all. For the iciest, this watch right here accepts over 2,450 stones, hand set by master jewelers, even on the dial, y'all. So inbox me if you're looking to get you one, guys. I got you covered. The original Cartiers are going to come with the box and papers directly from Cartier. So we are going to completely flood it out for you. This one's all white with the rose gold bezel, rose gold dial with the stones behind the dial as well. This one's black on black, all black diamonds with the white diamond bezel, white diamonds behind the dial. This one we got the all white with the yellow down the middle, all the way down. It's got the yellow gold bezel with the white dial, with the white stones. Holla at me if you have the budget. I'd love to work with you. Love to get you one. And thank you everybody that's been supporting us, man. The referrals, the people just rocking with us, man. You cannot help us no more than just a good referral. Appreciate you, and I thank you for helping me continue to provide this good work for you guys. Hope you guys have a blessed week. Holla at your boy. DM me if you need you one of these. I got these 3 in stock, but we can make them custom any way you want them. All right now. Peace.